Hello everyone, I'm Little K. Today we're talking about creating a group. To be honest, you can say it's difficult to create a group. It can also be said to be very simple. When it comes to creating a group, the main difference is that it's light selection direction. Because our console, whether it's a pearl, a tiger, or a moth, it's the light you choose. From the first light you touch, start changing the parameters. It's the parameter change of the effect. It's in this order. When you look at my mouse, when you're swiping here, you can see the top of it. Above here. Do you see here? There's a row here. It's different for me. From left to right. From top to bottom. Or from bottom to top. It's different. It tells us the direction we choose the light. This is very important. So I'll use 330 as an example. Choose 330. Let's say I'm above. I use these two lights. And this light and this light. This light and this light. For a group of lights, all are separated. There are from left to right. Horizontal rows. This kind of and the light selection is between horizontal and vertical rows. There is also a distinction. What does horizontal row mean? This kind of horizontal row from left to right. There is no second row of lights. And for example, this yes. This can also be done. From left to right. It has the same set of lights. The same set of lights. This kind of has a vertical row. You see? I can go from top to bottom. From bottom to top, etc. This is a vertical image. Let's talk about this item first. This is very simple. What should I do now? Delete the marshalling circle here. I'll untie all of them first. How do I delete it? Group 1 sleuth, please step back. There's already something here. We can't delete it like this. Then we can only do it like this. Click group, delete group 2 sleuth. I'll see how much it is here. Here's 77, please let's take another look, and here's right. Because these are the ones we put in, these are the ones in this picture. You deleted them. Then it wouldn't be there. Then we have to delete it. Click the delete key. Click it. Actually, we talked about it in the previous section. That keyboard shortcut. You should get used to it at this time. For example, if I say delete, then which is the delete key for the shortcut key on our keyboard? Delay, it's delay on the keyboard. So you have to get into the habit of using it. I'm clicking move now. Then move must be M move, that's not it. Let me take a look. Move is add plus M, add M, then I add M, I can select it. Dang, move here, that's okay, it won't affect here. Okay, let's start marshalling. From the top. Swipe from left to right. We select, then save a marshal. Save a marshal. Let's go back to this page. From left to right, from right to left, go to swipe. Save a group. The distinction between groups, it's very simple. For example, I swipe from left to right now. Let's look at the grouping. It's bright green. This strip of paper means that this group is one of its lights. And this yellow one is also lit. But the order of the lights is different. But all the lamps are here. So it will light up. Let's do this too. Select and select. Now there is the convenience of having this. This whirlpool with the whirlpool, it's much more convenient. Save, press the save button. And then come back, group 1, select, return, save. We'll do it in this order from now on. If you want to have this order, in fact, in the future, you will be very clear what you are doing. Because of the grouping. What will you combine when the time comes? Combine it with muscles. Combine it with that effect. Combine it into the effect. In fact, there are many, many lights. But most of you are like a gig. Like some friends who are doing gigs. He actually wants something. It's not that complicated. It's just fast. You only need one way to select the lights. Then use one way to diverge. And then achieve the lighting effect he wants. That's the fastest. You can set it up. You can clear it. From left to right. The side groups may be boring. But what about when you have a group? It will really be much more convenient. Choose like this. The more delicate the division is. When you are programming, your things can be more delicate. And I forgot to mention a very important one. When choosing lights, try to frame only your own lamps. Frame it as you want. Don't do this. Frame the lamp. Do it like this. Turn it off. It's easy to make mistakes. The spacing we place must also be reasonable. If it's not reasonable, there will be a situation where you are scratching your head. What is the situation? It means that you can't figure it out. According to the normal operation method. Why can't you achieve the effect you want? It's not your fault. It's you who didn't adjust the spacing. He recognizes that when you choose the lights. Identification is wrong. I often encounter this problem. I think about it for a long time. I say why I use this method all the time. How could it go wrong again? Then I put that light in place. I repositioned it. I just opened it up and down. Then I opened it up and down. He was fine. Look. Now we've made some marshalling. You can also do some general marshalling. For example, this way. This way. You can save one at the back. You can do this. This way. This way. This way. Rado. Like this. Like this. General grouping. You can do more. Anyway, if you feel the need, then you do more. For example, this is already there. You don't need it. For example, the next group. Like this. Like this. Save a group. Right? Then we select this one. Like this. Reverse selection. After reverse selection, save and then continue. You can do without the above group. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. Marshalling, do a little more. It won't be wrong. It won't be bad for you. That's right. Do more marshalling. It's easy to program. Okay. For example, the 330 marshalling we're done. After we're done, we're going to use the label in the red function. Name it. Right, name it. You do it your way. Let's say I'll save one now. Update it here. Let's say we're in the first row. Right? 330, how many are there here? We can try this lamp. Right? We choose this lamp. There are only 12,345. We can divide them into order. For example, the first row. The second row. The third row. The fourth, fifth, and sixth rows. Then you can write 1 bar. Right. 2 by 5. Because it's 2 5s. 1 bar 2 by 5. Then you can remember your group like this. You'll remember it well. But this thing depends on the person. You can do whatever you like. What about me? The lantern will be in the extra hour. I'll name all these lights. Name them what I know. Okay. Let's talk about the second type first. This is the same. This is a little simpler. Just make a few sets of this. Select the lights. Select the lights. The following 3. Then let's start from the top. Start from the top. If you start from the top, it should be from the left. Don't worry about these two. These two separate lamps. When you use them, you give it to it separately. Just adjust it. Select the lights here. Select the lights here. Save it. And then this light selection. Save. I'll leave a space out. It's for myself. This lamp is more eye-catching. If you want it to be empty, it's empty. If you don't want it to be empty, it's not empty. And you can do this. This way. In this way. You can make a group. There are too many ways to do it. But what? Let's master these kinds. And then combine them with M, when the time comes, the MA technique we'll talk about. That's okay. No problem. Right? And then I'll make a group of these two lights separately. Okay. And then 0 is done. Let's talk about something a little more complicated. This 4x4, this difference is different. There are 3 ways to select. This one. First of all, from top to bottom. From left to right. If you see no, the top will prompt you. From top to bottom. From left to right. For example, this light you selected. This is how it is selected. Then let's save a group. This is a method. And then, from the top, from the left to the right, from the top to the bottom. It's also a for example, save it here. Right? From top to bottom. From bottom to top. From top to bottom. From bottom to top. This is different from horizontal rows. That's it. So, you follow along. We'll explain it later. We'll explain. I'll tell you why it's like this. It's not troublesome. That's how the learning process works. Save. Look at it. There are only a few ways. From top to bottom. From left to right. From this side. This is a kind of what is the other kind? This is right. Is this right? Save and then? There are 3 modes later. There is also a very strange mess here. You have to position your lights according to how you want them. For example, if you want to do this, a row is fine. Or whatever. This grouping is more liberal. You can choose one of these 2 formations. You can choose a side group in this drama. It doesn't matter. For example, I'll choose a group of lights like this first, right? This is the second group. What about this lamp? For example, from top to bottom, it's a group. From top to bottom, it's a group. You can make it into several groups. For example, like this. Let's make it full motion. Save. I don't talk nonsense. Like this. Anyway, the positions are all a little more. No one cares about you. This amount is wrong. Let's just row it horizontally. Get a vertical row. Row vertically. Actually, this really you choose. You don't have to choose like this. There is another way to do this. Circle in circles. This is the most special choice. Okay. This is probably what this is like. This kind of matrix type is up and down, left and right. The horizontal arrangement is from left to right. One choice. And then from left to right. This is the same principle. The same is true for operation. From top to bottom. All in the middle. Right. Save the master. From top, from left to right, from top to bottom, another save to master, up and down, up and down, up and down. You can also save a master. Just now we should have been less. I can delete this for it. I made one less group. I made one less group. I made one less group. We can select it like this. Oh no, this is the whole group. We can say, for example, we have a grid in the middle. I have been saying this all the time. What does this order mean? From 12,345,678 order like this. It's from top to here to here to here to here. And here we go. This order is called the top to the bottom box selection. And this, and this. Such a serpentine order. This is the box selection. So if we want to combine these two into a group, that's how we have to choose the right one. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. This is the first one, right? Let's save the first one here. We are now in the second way. Past. In the past. Because there are lights in between. If you are more detailed, you can make a whirlpool. You finish the whirlpool. What can you do? After finishing the whirlpool, you can do it more quickly. Separate the middle. You don't have to do it like I do now. Of course, I'm here to show you. This is the third type. So this kind of horizontal, this kind of vertical lamp, there must be 3 types. There are these 3. It will be very convenient to operate. Okay. That's it now. If this is the case, I've just done half of it. In fact, all the sequences are the same. All the sequences are the same. You see. For example, this is this group. It should be this group. This group. Now to this group from top to bottom, you see save sequence almost all the same. It's quick to do it yourself. From top to bottom, when you are proficient in several light selection modes, you will operate some more your other light selection modes. You will be better, you will understand better what you want can be operated quickly. This light selection will definitely wait until later. It will definitely be combined with that MA technique to tell everyone. Why do you choose lights like this? And what is the point of choosing lights like this? I chose this group. I won't do the last group. It's a little bit late. Okay. I'm done with this group. And then the rest of the group. You can do it yourself. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today's grouping. Thank you.